months later.
She's done. Engine blown. 29 degrees. Cold weather and boost. We're going to take her apart, a little piece by piece, every day, until we get this motor out of here. Probably going to try and undress it down to just a long block, because I want to see what good parts are still left. I mean, it's pretty obvious from what happened before. The bottom end is gone. And for me driving it on 2 cylinders after the rod went, the cams probably didn't get any lubrication, so the head's probably trashed too, but that's neither here nor there. Oh my God. That's a hole. Block runs windows. About to go down. We got our donor car. Paid $250. I was able to finesse that lady. Get this car. It's gonna happen.